Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai Sonata guys or Kia Optima. They're built on exactly the same platform, and if you need to remove or replace rack and pinion, stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done. Many of you asked that question in the comment section below, so just a quick video to explain where it's located and what needs to be done while we're actually rebuilding that engine here. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, with that being said, okay, you can see this is the engine here, removed with the transmission, cooling system, the whole drivetrain practically, guys, okay, is out of the vehicle. And with the engine out, we can actually show you, okay, where the rack and pinion is and kind of like explain what to do. This is the engine bay here. You don't need to remove your engine to replace rack and pinion. This is your rack and pinion, okay, right there. And that's where it attaches to the steering wheel. Now, the thing about that rack and pinion, guys, if you look at it, okay, you have only 4 bolts holding the rack and pinion. One here, here, one there, and one over there. These 4 bolts are the only thing holding it to the car frame, practically, to the subframe. It's the front engine, front suspension subframe. And when I said here, Kia and Hyundai, built on the same platform, right there, Hyundai and Kia. You can see everything is exactly the same. So, now, if you look at that rack and pinion, guys, okay, in order to remove it, you need to disconnect it from the tie rods. Okay, right there, that's a tie rod there. You have one tie rod here. So you will need to disconnect it from the tie rods, or you need to disconnect the tie rods from the wheels. You have the car jacked up, but now, how do you remove it? Okay, in most cases, unfortunately, in order to replace the rack and pinion, okay, that whole front subframe needs to come down. Okay. It just needs to be dropped, and in that case now, okay, let's explain, okay, what can actually happen here now. In order to drop that subframe, guys, okay, you will have quite a few bolts, okay, holding the subframe there, okay, you can see, I think 6 bolts. You need to remove the supports here for the bumper and all that stuff. Some people do it without removing the struts and the CV axles, so that way the struts will hold the tires. The engine will still be in the engine bay with 2 engine mounts, one on the passenger side, one on the transmission side. The bottom mount will be removed right there, and by having the struts and the car in the air, okay, you'll be able just to drop the subframe itself gently, and the CV axle will not come out. You will be able to unscrew the bolts, it will come out of the steering column, and okay, that rack and pinion will come out. Then later you need to put everything together, get everything tight, check bushings, everything like that, and may need to take the car for front end alignment after that. But that's the main procedure, guys, for rack and pinion removal. Now, hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.